The 14-inch folding e-bike model 715W feels surprisingly punchy for its size, with a peak motor that pulls confidently up steep neighborhood hills and holds commuting speeds without strain. In real use, the removable battery delivers a practical range for daily rides, covering typical round-trip commutes without leaving you anxious about running out of charge. The combination of front and rear suspension takes the edge off rough pavement and speed bumps, making this compact electric bike noticeably more comfortable than many rigid frame folders. A sturdy front basket turns the bike into a genuinely useful errand runner, easily handling groceries, a work bag, or a small backpack without upsetting the bike's balance. The adjustable saddle and generous weight capacity make it accommodating for a wide variety of riders, so it can realistically serve as a shared family or household bike. Disc brakes and integrated lighting add a welcome layer of safety, and the folding frame makes storage in small apartments or car trunks much more manageable.